as you can see, all scripts are added successfully, so just click execute and you have this amazing hack. So yeah, hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called apploop.com, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your profile on your browser and just copy your link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button, just press paste and press continue, guys. Let's see. As you can see, it found an R user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select on button and select scripts that you want to add to our account, guys. So I will select these 4 scripts. So let me click continue, guys, and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is the amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting text, guys. So if you have this message, you're on the right way, guys. So let me wait for this redirecting and let's see. Verification successful. Thanks for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's test this. Does it actually work? So let me play this still a brain nut. So let me click play and let's see, guys. Okay guys, I'm in the game now, and as you can see I have these panels. So thank you for using Delta. We have this message, so let me click here, guys. As you can see, all scripts are added successfully, so just click execute and you have this amazing hack. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.